Today I'll show you a quick, easy way to add clips in CapCut Desktop so your timeline stays tidy. Whether you're starting a new project or dropping a clip into one you've already built, these steps will keep things simple and safe. If you're starting from scratch, open CapCut and create a new project. Once the project is open, click Import in the Media panel and choose the files from your computer. They will appear in the Media panel, ready to use. To put clips on the timeline, first unselect all clips by clicking anywhere in the Media panel. Select a clip in the Media panel and either click the plus icon that appears when you hover or drag the clip down onto the main video track. If you add several clips this way, CapCut will snap each one to the end of the last clip, so your sequence builds automatically. When you need to insert a clip in between an existing project, move the playhead to the exact spot where you want the clip to start. That white vertical line shows the insertion point, so take a second to make sure it's in the right place. To insert the clip, select it in the Media panel and either click the plus icon or drag it onto the main track at the playhead. CapCut will push everything after that point to the right, making room for the new clip. The safest way is to use a plus sign option. If your timeline already has lots of effects, text, or linked elements, another safe option is to put the new clip on an empty track above the main one. That way, the new clip plays over the original and you can trim, split, or reposition it without moving the main track. This is also useful if you want picture-in-picture or overlay effect. Those are the main methods I use to add clips in CapCut Desktop, and they help avoid accidental changes to the rest of the timeline. Try the plus icon for exact insertion, drag for faster work, and a separate track when you want to be extra cautious. If this was helpful, consider subscribing to more easy editing tips, and then let me know what CapCut topic you want next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.